There are plenty of artificial intelligence solutions on the market, but only a few of them are deeply rooted in AI that truly makes automation possible. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, what does document understanding cognitive AI mean?
It means that AI can actually make sense of written text in a similar manner to humans, so that we can then automate things that have previously required human to read and act upon piece of information.
In simple terms, we talk about unstructured data, and what we want to do is to provide structure to that unstructured data to be processed more.
So why would anyone want to buy something like this?
Many business processes at the moment are human-centric, requiring humans to understand applications, medical records, privacy data, and act upon that. This is actually something that at the moment you really do not need to do anymore, because you can actually automate this kind of manual, low-value human work to a very high degree with advanced AI.
What benefits go unreaped if you purchase an AI that does not allow for the automation of a process that contains information produced by a human?
The automation level then is not as far as you can get, and then you are missing the benefits, timing, quality, and of course the used labor.
And then there are some things you just can't do if you have so much information. Go through hundreds of thousands of documents to understand something or find information that is not searchable, but requires human to understand, okay, this is the topic that I was actually looking for.
Okay, so what are the questions what you can ask to determine the competency of an AI service provider?
What is the automation level that you are seeking? Are we talking about 10% or 90% or even 100%? What can be achieved? How much data there is that needs to be processed? And what is the time that you allow the process to take? Are we talking about seconds or are we talking about years?
And one big challenge here is that RPA vendors will sell that we can solve this issue, but they can't solve the issue of human understanding. And we will help companies who have invested in RPA to actually make use of those investments by completely removing the human from the loop, by providing cognitive functions for robots.
If we think about your customer projects, automation projects, how can the success and profitability of cooperation be measured and assessed?
There's always the quality. Then we are talking about the time and how much we can free resources on doing something else.
And I think one very important thing is how fast can you actually implement this type of automation. Classical, traditional text analytics can solve pretty much any problem, provided you use 16 or 75 man years to code the text analytics rules to do that. For deep AI that is based on language models that we have, you can do this in 3 days instead of spending years and years and years developing and then maintaining the model.
Thank you for your contribution.
Thank you.
Thank you.